Hello and welcome students. Today we are going to study about adjectives and this is the 9th chapter of your English grammar book. So let us start. Students, we know that nouns are names of people, things, ideas, places, etc. हमें पता है कि noun peoples के name को कहते हैं, things के name को कहते हैं, ideas को कहते हैं, places को कहते हैं और here cats, lion and tents are also noun. यहाँ पर cat, lion और tent भी nouns है. And adjective are words that tell us about nouns. और adjective वे words होते हैं जो हमें noun के बारे में और ज़्यादा जानकारी देते हैं. Look at these sentences. It's a cat and here cat is a noun. यहाँ पर जो cat है वो एक noun है. It's a big cat. Now cat is a noun and big is an adjective here. Now come to the next page. Adjectives tell us about the color, shape, size or special quality of a noun. Adjectives हमें नाउन की साइज के बारे में, उनके कलर के बारे में, शेप के बारे में और उनकी स्पेशल क्वालिटीज के बारे में बताते हैं. दे मेक डिस्क्रिप्शंस मोर डिटेल्ड एंड इंफॉर्मेटिव. ये डिस्क्रिप्शन को और ज़्यादा इंफॉर्मेटिव बनाते हैं. एडजेक्टिव्स कैन बी यूज्ड बिफोर अ नाउन और एडजेक्टिव्स नाउन के पहले भी यूज होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल दे वर अ हैप्पी फैमिली एंड हेयर हैप्पी इज एन एडजेक्टिव. नाउ कम टू द एक्सरसाइज. रीड द फॉलोइंग स्टोरी एंड अंडरलाइन ऑल एडजेक्टिव्स. द फर्स्ट एडजेक्टिव इज underlined for you. Once there was a thief named Thiruda. One day he stole a golden bell from a temple and ran away into a dense forest nearby. A fierce tiger was sleeping there. It was disturbed by the loud sound of the bell. It chased the foolish thief away. As the thief ran, he dropped the bell in the forest. Some curious monkeys started playing with it. When tired travelers passing through the forest heard the sound, they got scared. They told the king that a fierce monster lived in the forest and he rang a large bell when he saw travelers. The frightened people stopped traveling through the scary forest. A wise woman thought that this could be a monkey trick. She went into the forest and saw the funny games the monkeys played with the bell. She returned and told the worried king, I will destroy the cruel monster and bring back the bell. Now the last paragraph. The clever woman. Here clever is an adjective. Walked into the forest with a large basket of fruits. When the monkeys saw the delicious fruits, they dropped the golden bell. Here golden is an adjective and started eating the fruits. The woman picked up the bell and took it to the king. He thanked the brave. Here brave is an adjective. Woman and the happy people celebrated. Now we have come to the next activity. Here are a few jumble words. Put the words in the correct order to make sentences. The first one has been done for you. यहाँ पर कुछ जंबल वर्ड्स हैं. इन्हें हमें प्रॉपर सीक्वेंस में रखना है और एक प्रॉपर सेंटेंस बनाना है. As small they turtles are, they are small turtles. In the they live sea water salty. They live in the salty sea water. lay they eggs sandy in the beaches. They lay eggs in the sandy beaches. Eggs, tiny turtles come out of the eggs. Fifth, smell they salty, they crawl towards the salty smell. Now page number 39. C. Match these adjectives to suitable nouns and then write them together in the blank. One is done for you. We have to match the words with the adjective and complete the sentence. Soft pillow, sweet cake, fast car, hot soup, interesting story, long list. A soft pillow, a sweet cake, a fast car, some hot soup, an interesting story, a long list. Now fill in suitable adjectives from the box. यहाँ पर एक बॉक्स है जिसमें कुछ एडजेक्टिव्स हैं. इनमें से करेक्ट एडजेक्टिव को चूज करना है और कंप्लीट करना है इन सेंटेंसेस को. आन्या मेक्स टेस्टी नूडल्स. सेकंड, I could not lift the heavy suitcase. The box fell down with a loud sound. And fourth is, 1 year has 12 months. I saw a cute kitten playing with a ball. Now E. Choose suitable adjectives for the following sentences. Okay, let us choose. My mother was happy when I gave her flowers. When I gave her flowers. Second, I keep all my toys in a large box. Third, Jatin has curly hair. Fourth, kids are not allowed near the deep swimming pool. Now fifth, a clock usually has a round face. Sixth, fresh green grass is growing in the field. And page number 40. Mr. Goodwin has lost her pet kitten. Her neighbor, Mr. Lookout, says he has seen a stranger walk around Mrs. Goodwin's house several times this week. Read the description of the stranger, circle each adjective and underline the noun that is describes. The first one has been done for you. We have to circle on the adjective and underline the noun. He is a tall man. Tall is an adjective and man is a noun. He has bushy eyebrows. His ears are small and round. He has long mustaches. His nose is sharp. He has a goat-like beard. He has a big mole on his left cheek. He wears a thick gold chain around his neck. He wears striped t-shirts. His shirts usually have 2 pockets. Draw a picture of the man described by Mr. Lookout to help the police identify the stranger. Draw only the upper half of the body. Students, you have to draw the face of that man जिसको मिस्टर लुकआउट ने डिस्क्राइब किया है यहाँ पर. एंड विद दिस योर चैप्टर हैज फिनिश्ड. थैंक यू वेरी मच.